Hello and welcome to YouLearn channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can control an LED remotely by using this ESP32 development board. First, you'll have to connect the anode of the LED, the longer pin, to the GPIO 13 pin of the development board. And you'll have to use a 100 ohm resistor or something similar to it to reduce the amount of current that this LED will receive. Then the cathode of this 5mm red LED will have to be connected to the ground pin of the development board. After you've made all these connections, your LED is ready to be used. If you don't have an LED, you can use the blue LED attached on this development board, which is connected to the GPIO 13 pin. And you can see if this blue LED will turn on or off, as this red LED should do. Once you've made all these connections, you can open the Arduino IDE. You should go to Tools. At the boards, you should select this board. This is the board that I'm using, but if you're using another board with Wi-Fi capabilities, you should select your development board. And I've changed the upload speed to 115,200. After that, I went to the File, Examples, and I went to Wi-Fi. And from the Wi-Fi, as you can see, I've chose the simple Wi-Fi server. Of course, this software has been modified by me so that I can use the digital pin 13 of the development board. Right over here where it says SSID, you should enter your Wi-Fi name. Where it says password, you should enter your Wi-Fi password, if it has any. Of course, you should choose your serial communication speed and your LED, which is connected on output pin, digital pin 13, and it's set up as an output. And most of the code is explained right over here, as you can see it. After you've verified the code and you've uploaded to your development board, you should you should open the serial monitor right over here, Tools and Serial Monitor, and you should copy the address of your the development board and paste it on your web browser. Right over there, two small boxes will appear. As you can see, this is the text that will appear: high to turn the LED on, and low to turn the LED pin off. So on your web browser, when you will press one of those buttons, this LED will be turned on or off. Of course, this is just a simple example, but instead of the LED, you can turn on or off any other device that you like to remotely control using Wi-Fi. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.